There is no such thing as a problem that doesn't come from interpersonal relationships. Okay, and we'll talk about that in other videos, but I want to make sure that you understand how to deal with those interpersonal relationships based on who you are, how you operate, and the people around you, understanding them better, right? Utilizing frequencies is the best way to really navigate, because sometimes you can get it absolutely wrong, right? And so knowing the manual of this matrix is very, very, very important. Okay, there's a manual for everything, right? I'm gonna go too far